Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some Twizzles. So here are my tips and tricks and warm-ups to help you achieve that. So first off, you want to try doing the Twizzles on 2 feet. So here I'm doing both sides because I think both sides are very important to learn and not just one side. So all I'm doing is outstretching my arms and then bringing them somewhat tight, somewhat loose, and then I'm turning on both feet. So this is very important that you learn 3 turns before you learn the Twizzles. This will give you the good feeling for the turns. Next tip is to try and do 1 foot, kind of small 3 turns around the circle and to go as long as you can. So here I'm just doing half turns on a circle. As you can see, my arms are outstretched and I'm just turning. So my body weight is over my knees and I'm making sure that I have a good knee bend every time that I turn. So I'm going in the knee, going up slightly, and then going back into the knee. And then you finish with a nice exit. And like I said, I suggest doing this both sides so that you have a good feel for your good side. And I forgot to tape it, but it would also be good if you learn to do this exercise with the closed arms as well. So here I'm going to show how the arms should be for a beginning pose and how your knee bend should be for the Twizzle. And here we're putting them all together. So a good exercise is to just do the arms and the legs in a spin and just try to hold it as long as you can. After that, we're going to be doing the Twizzle. So like the first exercise, but we're now doing it on 1 leg. So here we are just turning 1 full turn around and then going onto the other leg. Same thing with the arms, so lightly pulling them together, creating a little bit of assistance for the turn. So once you feel more advanced, you can do single turn, and then double turn on both sides. This will really help you achieve a good Twizzle. So again, my body weight is forward over my knees. I'm having a good knee bend. My arms are slightly pulled in. And then when you feel super ready, you can try and hold your Twizzles as long as you can. I suggest doing this both sides, just so you have a good feeling for your good side. So I hope you guys liked that video. If you want to see more skating videos, please let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to press that bell notification button. And follow me on Instagram at sofa.bar. So until next time, guys, bye.